Hey there, crypto traders. Are you tired of spending endless hours monitoring the crypto market and manually executing trades? Well, fear not, because the solution is here: crypto trading bots. These computer programs are designed to carry out specific tasks in the world of crypto trading, with minimal human intervention. And in 2023, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies like a pro, you need to know about the top crypto trading bots. One of the most popular types of crypto trading bots is the crypto trading bot that automatically trades one or more cryptocurrencies on behalf of the owner or user, across multiple platforms. By using these bots, you can increase your trading profits and automate your trading strategies. 3 Commas. 3 Commas offers 21 trading bots that let traders use the best of 18 major cryptocurrency exchanges to their advantage. 3 Commas bots are adaptable in addition to being dependable. They are adaptable to any market circumstances. They can also be made to fit your particular trading strategies and investment objectives. PionX. PionX comes with 16 free inbuilt trading bots, and PionX is included on this list. By trading cryptocurrency on your behalf, PionX's bots assist you in making a profit for a small trading fee of 0.05%. Trality. Trality, the European fintech specialist in robotization, furnishes financial backers with admittance to excellent crypto exchanging bots with only a couple of snaps. With Trality's flagship features, the Python code editor and the bot marketplace, anyone, regardless of experience level, can now automate their investment strategies or rent strategies developed by the world's most experienced quantitative analysts. Naga. Naga is one of the best platforms for trading cryptocurrencies because it lets anyone set up automatic copy trading to mimic expert traders. After depositing at least $250, this is done. Additionally, the Naga copy trading bot makes it simpler for traders without prior experience in trading or bot coding to earn money from investments with regular or fixed returns. Auto-copying traders who offer strategies with predictable or fixed returns make this possible. Toro. You can copy crypto trades, trading insights, and, of course, trading sentiments from other crypto traders using the copy trading platform at eToro. You can follow cryptocurrency traders for free or for a fee. The fact that you can view the portfolios, profits, and other information of the users you follow from their feeds is a positive feature of the platform. Crypto Hopper. The Crypto Hopper is a cloud-based crypto trading bot that lets users use external signals to make intelligent trades and uses an algorithmic program trading approach. It is compatible with 9 distinct cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, OKEx, KuCoin, Binance, Kraken, Huobi, and a great number of others. CoinRule. The cloud-based trading bot was established in 2017 and is run by a team in the United Kingdom. It can connect to some cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Huobi, Bitfinex, OKEx, and HitBTC. Trading is free of charge for it. You can use over 7,000 different trading strategies by creating multiple trading rules based on them. Trade Santa. The cloud-based Trade Santa crypto trading software is suitable for both novice and experienced traders, and although it is available round the clock, you can still profit from it. It can be connected to a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Huobi, and others, just like every other crypto trading bot on this list. Shrimpy.io. From a single platform, users can trade and track portfolios across multiple exchanges using Shrimpy, a tool for portfolio management and trading. 16 exchanges let you manage and trade assets. On the platform, multiple indicators and strategies are used to perform trade automation, or cryptobot trading. You can automatically rebalance your portfolio to copy the accounts you are following by clicking the automation button. When the portfolio of the person you follow changes, your account will automatically sell or buy. This will cause your portfolio to change. Zignally. Cryptobot trading tasks can be partially or completely automated. It has multiple traders who can provide you with trading signals. In addition, you can trade any coin pair or position you want. The bot can be connected to Binance, KuCoin, and 8 other cryptocurrency exchanges, so the number of exchanges you can connect it to is very limited. So, Which bots should you be using in 2023? The experts at Best Crypto Trading Bots have compiled a list of the top 10 crypto trading bots that you need to know about. From the most user-friendly bots to the most advanced, this list has got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your trading game with these top-notch crypto trading bots.